Assalamu alaikum girls. Good morning. How are you all? Hope you are doing well. Girls, I hope that you have understand that what is length. Length is actually how long the object is. We can see the length and height of the object. We can measure the length and height of the object by measuring it. So girls, if I say you that if there is a car and the length of the car is 3 meter and convert it into centimeter, then how will you convert it? Girls, as I have told you that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So if a car is of 3 meter, that means that 3 meter is equal to 300 centimeter. So now we will start our work. How to convert meter into centimeter? As you know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So if I will ask you that write the length in centimeter, then how will you do this? For example, if there is 6 meter and 20 centimeter, so how will you convert 6 meter and 20 centimeter into meter? As you know that 20 centimeter is already in centimeter, so no need to convert 20, you have to convert 6 meter. And as you know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, so 6 meter is equal to 600 centimeter. Now 6 meter 20 and 20 centimeter is equal to 600 centimeter plus 20 centimeter. We will add it and we will get it 620 centimeter. Here I have written another example. It is actually 6 meter and 5 centimeter. If it is here, you have to take care a lot of the ones, tens and hundred. Always remember that meter comes at the 100 position, right? So if it is 6 meter and 5 centimeter, so 6 meter means 600 centimeter and 5 centimeter means 5 centimeter. X will be 605 centimeter. You will write 605 like this. You will write 605, right? So there is no tens. So you will not write tens over there and you will not write 65 over there. It will be wrong. So you have to remember that meter always come in the thousand position, right? And so if I will ask you that write the length in meter and centimeter, and if I will give you a number that convert the 168 centimeter into meter and centimeter, or convert 256 into meter and centimeter, or any other number, any number that convert it into the meter, then what will you do? For example, is 256 centimeters. So you know that 2 is at the 100 position. So this will be meter. Right now, as 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter, so 256 may this is 2 is at the 100 position, so there is 2 meter, means 200 centimeter means 2 meter, and 56 centimeter as it is given, so it will be 2 meter and 56 centimeter. For if I will give you 398 centimeter, so here 3 is at the 100 position, so 3 is meter and 98 is centimeter. I hope that you have understand it. Okay, hope you have enjoyed video. Stay home and stay safe. Wash your hands daily. Bye bye.